Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create quotes video in Capcut. So here I'm going to start a new project, and for this I'm going to just use a photo for the background. Okay, so I'm going to use this photo. I'm going to set it for like 5 seconds. Okay, so after that you can just type in your quotes, click on text, and then here just click on add text. So I'm going to type in the quotes first. Okay, so here is the quotes, and then I'm going to click on a check icon first. I'm going to okay, I'm going to edit the text first. Okay, you can just resize it, and I'm going to change the style, and also don't forget to set the durations like this. I'm going to change the style, and I'm going to just use this one, and also I'm going to change the font. Okay, so I'm going to just use this. Okay, I'm going to add the creator of the quote, and then okay, so you can just save it as it is, but you can also add some effects to the video. I'm going to add some effects, and I'm going to use bling. Okay, let's try this one. Try here. Okay, I'm going to just use the first one, mini stars 3. You can also adjust the effects, but I'm going to just use it as it is and set it along with the photo. And you can also add some filters into the photo. Okay, I'm going to add some. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Okay, let's see the result. Or you can also add the some animations to the text. For example, I want to just choose one of them. Okay, so I'm going to choose the open animation, and then set the duration as you like, and click on a check icon, and here are the results. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can create quotes video in Capcut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.